Welcome to my crypto enthusiasts and blockchain voyagers. Today we are diving into the cosmic world of Wormhole. Not the space kind, but the one that's making waves in the crypto universe. Now, to understand Wormhole better, imagine each blockchain is a planet in a vast galaxy. All the planets are unique with their own rules and inhabitants. Now, wouldn't it be cool if you could travel between these planets without a spaceship? Now, that's where Wormhole comes in. It's like a network of bridges in space connecting all these blockchain planets. Wormhole is a blockchain development platform connecting all major blockchains, enabling developers to build multi-chain apps. With Wormhole, you can send tokens on a spacewalk from one blockchain to another. It's fast, secure, and doesn't really require a bulky spacesuit. As Wormhole solves the limitation of centralized bridges and exchanges, it also enables protocol-first design, allowing developers to build applications that are chain agnostic and leverage the strengths of different blockchains. This opens up possibilities for decentralized implementations like multi-chain dexes, chain-agnostic wallets, cross-chain governance, and innovative NFT projects. The best part? It's open source. That means developers can build their own intergalactic highways across all blockchains. So, whether you are a DeFi dabbler or a blockchain builder, Wormhole is your ticket to a multi-chain future. Wormhole. All chain, no pain.